In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI background generator to change your image backgrounds instantly. Whether you're enhancing personal photos, spicing up a presentation, or creating engaging content for your social media, this tool opens a world of possibilities. Let's walk through this process step by step, so grab your computer and follow along. To start, open Canva on your device. If you don't yet have it installed, simply visit Canva's website or open the app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll have a variety of options in front of you. You can either create a new design from scratch, or if you already have an existing file you'd like to work on, go ahead and open that. Both methods will take you to Canva's powerful editing interface, where all the magic happens. Next, it's time to get your image ready. You can upload a new photo that you want to enhance or use one from your existing design file. Simply drag and drop the image onto the workspace, or use the upload button found on the left-hand panel. Once your image is in place, the key part of this process is to click on the photo to select it. It's a simple step, but make sure your photo is highlighted to ensure you're editing the right element. After you've selected your photo, you'll see an option labeled Edit Photo. This button will open a new set of tools for you to use. Now, take your eyes over to the left panel under Magic Studio Tools, where you'll find a variety of extraordinary features. Look for the BG Generator tool. This tool is quite a gem. It uses artificial intelligence to change and generate backgrounds based on your description. Imagine being able to transport your photos setting instantly. It's time to get creative. In the BG Generator's input box, type a clear, descriptive idea of the new setting you envision. Do you want a sunset beach view, or perhaps a bustling cityscape as your backdrop? The more detailed, the better, as it helps the AI create something perfectly tailored for you. Once you've typed in your description, simply click the Generate button. In a short moment, you'll see several background options appearing on your screen. This is where fun comes into play. Scroll through the generated backgrounds and pick your favorite one. Take your time to choose a background that enhances the mood and message of your photo. When you find that perfect match, make sure it integrates well with the image's foreground. After you've made the adjustments and the entire composition fits seamlessly, you're ready to share or save your creation. Simply click Download and choose your preferred file format, either PNG or JPG, to safely store your work back into your device. And there you go. In a few easy steps, you've leveraged the power of Canva's AI to breathe new life into your image. Thank you for following along. Now go and experiment with different styles and themes to elevate your visual storytelling.